Welcome students. Today I wish to discuss a problem which is pertaining to hack within B. I will discuss a problem which was asked in hack within B contest during last year. It was asked in round 2. Start with a problem. Given an integer n denoting the number of particles initially and array of sizes of these particles. These particles can go into any number of simulations, possibly none or 0. If one simulation, two particles combine to give another particle with size as the difference between the size of the two particles can yield another particle with size as the difference between the size of them, possibly 0. Here we need to find the smallest particle that can be formed by using the simulation. Here the constant is n is in between 1 and 100 and the size less than or equal to 10 to the power 9. Consider example. Here user inputting 3 size of an array and we have a size of a particle 30, 10, 8. Here we can achieve smallest size of the particle as 2 when I subtract 10 and 8. I get smallest particle with smallest size. So we have other possibilities, but we can't achieve less than 2. Okay, we can subtract 30 minus 10, we get 10 to get 20, but which is very high when compared to 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Take another input. The size of array is 4. Values are 1, 2, 4, 8. Here already the size of the smallest particle is 1. By subtracting the any two particle, we can't achieve not less than 1. So we can't make another 1 so as to get 0. So smallest without any simulation is 1. Without any simulation itself we can conclude. Okay. And we have another example. The size of a input is 5. We have value size of a particle is 30, 27, 26, 10 and 6. Here output will be 0. For example, I subtract 30 and 26. I take 30 and 26 to get 4 as a size of the particle and 10 and 6 to get 4 as size of particle. Next, these 4 will be subtracted to get 0. Size of the particle, resultant particle and size of the particle in another simulation. Those two will be subtracted to get 0. So here output will be 0. This can be implemented generating the combination. Here we can use Python language to efficiently generating combinations. Combination of the list which has size 2, maximum size 2. Here for making the combinations we import the tool, import iteration tools as iteration. Here we define the function particles which accepts the list. Here I maintain global variable m to store the minimum value, minimum size of the particle value. If length of a list greater than 1 only, we can continue with the process. The list of the length of a list should be greater than 1. Okay, we can generate combinations if it is less than or equal to 1. So we need to generate a combinations by using the list elements. Here for I in iteration iter dot combinations of list comma 2. Generate the combinations of the list which has size maximum of 2. So these list value stored in the I. Now I identify the absolute difference between the generate a list I of 0 minus I of 1 and store into temp, which is again compared with the temp value. Okay, here m is called in the entry point program. Here I have m which is store the minimum element in the list. For this example 1 2 4 8, the minimum element is 1, which is set as the m value of m is 1 in this situation. So it holds a minimum value. Initially m holds the minimum value in the list, which is compared with the absolute difference difference of the I of 0 and I of 1. If satisfy the condition, when temp value is less than m means we can set m equal to temp, which is always storing the minimum size of the particle. Now list is copied. That list is copied to the k. I just remove first value and second value and appending the absolute difference value to the list. Again I am recursively calling by passing the values. Okay, so after completing the iteration, it will store the values which is less than the minimum value, list of values which has less than the minimum value. Okay, you can recursively call the particle function by passing the list values, that is temp. Temp is the absolute difference in the minimum value. Now here I need to after implementing the particle function, I just get a input from the user, this size of an array, and get list elements, n elements, by using the for loop and append it into the list. Next find the minimum element in the list and store into m. This is global variable here. Okay, scope will be available. Now call particle function by passing the list values. Finally, after particle function returning, it holds the minimum difference between the particle values, which is available in the variable m. Okay, in this way we can solve this problem. This will produce efficient results. Thank you.